After we become familiar with Git and his command, we will not go every time from the working area to staging area and then to the local area. We will commit directly and I would say fast than before. That's why there is a concept that has a name, express commit. And to do that, let's do one example. Let's modify in the readme 2. Let's add h2. It's with two ts. Let's just say second title. We save it. Now we see git status, and it shows us that the readme 2 has been updated or has been modified. So now how about that I want now normally I'm back again in the working area because I have updated the readme 2. So now I don't want to go to the staging area, I want to go directly to the local repo. How can I do that? So I can do that with this command git commit dash a m, then we click, then we put our message second commit. Normally when we were in the staging area and we want to go to the local repo, we didn't put to a. So why do a? A is basically meaning to add then commit, and it just gives us this command line git commit dash a m, then the message that we want to write to express the commit. So we hit enter, and now we are again in the local repository, but without going to the staging area then to the local repository. We are going from the working repository directly to the local repository. Let's check with the git status, and everything is okay. Work tree clean, but we have a problem, and to see this problem we need to add another file. So let's do it. Touch readme tree.mg, and we see that the file has been created just in here. Let's do like h1 first title. Let's save it. Now let's see git status, and it shows us there is a new file with the name readme. Let's update or let's update or add something new in the readme 2. Let's just say learn git. Let's save it. Let's go back to our git bash. Let's re-execute command git status, and it tells us that there is a new file and an updated one. Now in the first time we our git know just two files, the readme and the readme 2, and that readme tree he's never been committed or added, so the git don't know him. And to know the file that the git track or no, we execute command git ls dash files. No, sorry, ls and not la. Yeah, and it shows that readme and readme 2, those are two files which git know or the git track. So now let's try and commit git commit dash am. Let's say changed readme. Let's hit enter, and now it tells us the message that everything it's okay, change to readme. It's message of commit, but let's see the git status. And in the git status we see that the readme tree, the readme file readme tree is not committed, or it's not tracked by git. So what is the solution to that, or how we can tell the git to commit also the readme file? The problem is this command line git commit -em. So basically this command is just for the file that are already been tracked, or that are already been in the staging area. And in our example, readme is just created. We just create readme tree. So basically it's never went to the staging area. That's why when we say git commit em, he didn't be considered, and git didn't even went to him and take him to the local repo. So the solution of that is we need to first of all make the readme tree go to the staging area, and after that we commit. So git add, let's say dot, enter, and after that we will commit git commit just new file, and we hit enter. So now if we see the status, it tells us that everything is okay, and now the tree readme are tracked, or the tree readme are went to the staging area, but now are in the local repository. So basically every file we created, it's important to him to go to the staging area if we want to commit them in the future. It's important to be track. It means that it's went to the staging area. Yeah, so always remember that that express commit, or the git commit -em, it's just for the file that has been tracked, or that has been going to the staging area, and are not available to the new file who are not tracked. So every single file that we create, it need to be tracked, or it need to be gone to the staging area. And after that, now if we update the readme 1 or 2 or 3, we will use the express commit, the express command line with git commit -em, and after that the message, because all the 3 file has been gone to the staging area and they are tracked. And to know the file that they are tracked, is with command git ls-files, and now it shows us that the 3 file are tracked. This is all for this video and for Express.js. See you in the next video.